Hey, just. Hey, march out to the chaka, ding dong, money way, and set it. Just. Baby, I want you that. Do what you feel like. What is up, guys? Jamaica's came here with another reaction. Before we do anything else, do this. Alright, now that you like the video, let's jump straight tonight and see what Big Shaq have to say. Alright, man? I'm gonna say it's gonna be hella funny. Big Shaq funny like dog. Dog not funny. Big Shaq funny like Big Shaq. Big body events. Boss jacket, it's a fake. It's a fake pattern jacket. Wait, and probably sew it again. I'm in the way. You can't see it. The back of the jacket said not. So the front said fake, the back said not. Not fake. Alright. JBL.
Hey.
Me already know this video are gonna be funny. Don't know what is it about the chicken shop. Why the song is called Chicken Shop. I know nothing about the song. I know say my brethren said it and say, yo, react to this. And I say, alright then, cool, let's go. Let's go, Shaq!
Hey. I was counting racks and you did chicken shop with babe.
Yeah.
Boy, please behave. Me and you are not the same.
Yeah. The man said, listen, I was counting racks, money, wanga, money, moolah. While you are the chicken shop with beer. So you're your girl, your chicken shop. You're your woman in a chicken shop. While me account racks. Cook your yard. Where you got chicken shop for? Cook your yard.
You don't come my way. Why you got gum fingers? You don't aim. Oh, you think you're bad? Look at your drip. It's got stains.
Yeah, that's rude. You are rude, bro. The man said, listen. Me and you know the same thing. First of all, where you have gun finger and you not aim? That more I know. Answer my question. Where you have gun finger, brother, and you not aiming? What you do to yourself? You have beat up yourself. Second of all, look for your drip. You have stains. Yo, why did you tell somebody that? But like the fact say, he's talking to himself in the video. Himself him talking to in the video. So the person who made a video is creative so far. Very creative. I like it. Let's go.
I was counting racks and you did chicken shop with babe. Boy, please behave. Me and you are not the same.
Me and the same thing. When me I call my money, chicken shop you there. Me say that already, but I have to say it again. Let's go.
You don't come my way. Why you got gum fingers? You don't aim. Oh, you think you're bad? Look at your drip. It's got stains. We're gonna get that guap, stack it in piles, call it Jenga.
What's up? We're gonna get that guap, stack it in pile and call it Jenga. Remember I say Jenga is a game where you can play for pastime in England where you can pull out the little blocks them. Pull out the little blocks them, see here, you can pull out the little blocks them. The person who the Jenga fall pan, them lose the game. Big up Jenga. Big up Jenga.
I do my thing, manage my squad, Arsene Wenger said he trapping at night, moving white, calls it Brenda.
Woo! Man said I do my thing, I manage my squad, Arsene Wenger, Arsenal manager. Is he still Arsenal manager? Is he still Arsenal manager though? I can't remember. I don't know. I don't really too follow up football, but yeah.
All I see is lies, cookie pies, you pretender.
All me see a liar. What is that? Oh, lion. Oh. All me see a lies. Porcupines, you're a pretender, you're a fake, you're a made in China, you're not good, you're not true to yourself, let alone true to people. All me say, a porcupine, liar, pants and fire. Big Shaq, I eat that in the dog.
I like when a bund is soft, golden brown, chicken tender.
I like when a bunda is soft, golden brown, chicken tender. I like when a bunda. What is a bunda?
Cookie pies, you pretender. I like when a bunda's soft, golden brown, chicken tender. And I keep my unit tight, tape at night, only members.
What is a bunda? Please leave in the comment section. What is a bunda? What is a bunda? Because if I ask Siri not gonna know what I'm talking about. What is a bunda? And him left off of that and say him keep him circle cool and calm. Members, like him say, member, something about member.
Members, she look nice, and I keep my unit tight, tape at night, only members.
Only members. So if you unit small around him, so him know everybody where him chill with and roll with. Because you don't know, say loyalty is royalty. You see it? Let's go.
Members, she look nice, caught my eye, then I remembered. I provide for the fam, I ain't got time for benders.
I say, yo, she look nice, she caught my eyes, but click, I remember. Him say something else after that. Him say, yo, he remember say him provide for the fam, so you don't know, say him have lots of responsibilities. So in another time, finna waste people, finna frivolous banters, big words, frivolous banter, nah mess about.
Some of my friends got IPP, doing rollers icy free. I like the glow of IVD.
Ooh, IVD that though. That is IVD, right?
Caught my eye, then I remembered. I provide for the fam, I ain't got time for benders. Some of my friends got IPP, doing rollers icy free. I like the glow of IVD.
Him say, some of my friends them have IPP. What is IPP? I don't know what IPP is, what he's referring to, but I'm guessing, is it something to do with prison? IPP, prison. I don't know. Him left off of that and then him say IC3. IC3 is a thing that is where when the English police them say a blackmail, them class a blackmail as IC3. If I'm not wrong, I'm 80% sure that them say when them say a blackmail. IC3, blah 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 blah. With them foolishness, IC3. I think Gets and somebody have a song named IC3 as well. But them flip the concept of that. Me never react to that song there because me they watch it before. So if I watch a song, I will not react to it. Yeah, back to IVD. This is IVD, right? I'm sure this is IVD. I'm pretty sure this is IVD. She a glow though. She's a black belt. IVD, alright.
Never made it to Ivy League. Can you leave us CID and let us live in peace? We want to make bread.
So my boy, no, I'm a miss. My boy, the cousin. Whap! I lick it. Yo,
leave us CID and let us live in peace. We want to make bread and watch sports on Sky TV.
Sky TV is something like cable at Jamaica. Sky TV, you have Sky Sports 1, 2, 3, where all of the major sports them come on, like Premier League and stuff come on. I Sky TV.
We want to make bread and watch sports on Sky TV. Dickheads. Racks and you did chicken shot with babe. Boy, please behave.
Yo, don't think a joke alone, in brother. Put away the joke aside. Put the joke aside. But him have a flow. Him have a catchy flow. The chorus of this is very catchy. People, that chorus I got catch enough people. I see this song doing very well. Yo, him sick dog. Him sick with him concept them and him freestyle. So far, him in one chicken shop. Now him in one taekwondo place or one karate place with IVD and black belt. Pick up IVD again.
Nope, you don't come my way. Why you got gum fingers? You don't aim. Put them down. Oh, you think you're bad? Look at your drip. It's got stains.
IVD, where are you going to tongue for? Why are you langing out your tongue, IVD? Langing your tongue. No, not langing. Put in back your tongue. Put in your tongue, IVD. Look on Big Shaq face.
I was kind of racks and you did chicken shop with babe. Boy, please behave. Me and you are not the same. Nope, you don't come my way. Why you got gum fingers?
But tell you, put in your tongue, little girl. Put in your tongue, little girl. You deaf?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Watch your boss face. Like he must say, YVD, my one now. Oh, yeah, the easiest yourself alone, YVD alone. That's the man I said, not me.
Cause you don't aim it down. Oh, you think you're bad? Look at your drip. It's got stains.
It's got stains. Hold on. I want that stuff. What is going on here? Where IVD gone? You know what got to the door with IVD a while ago, brother? See my IVD there? Where IVD gone? One buckle IVD now go up on a farm. IVD now go up on a farm with him. IVD said, nope, you're on your own, bro. Go by yourself, G. Yo. A madness. Yeah, idiot, you know. What is this animal called again? Llama them, right? Them animal are llama, I think. 100% sure say a llama them.
You got stains.
Man, a farmer.
Man's got stains in his
The llama are ugly though.
outfit and he's looking at me, you know. Hey, brother, swear.
The llama they ugly though. The llama they ugly. If you joke him in the eye, I'm joking in the eye. Go over yourself. Whoop! In the eye. Because you can't joke him so you know. Because the hair them there the size have a joke in the eye so. Whoop! I think them animals spit pan people as well though. That's how them say. I don't know. Is it true? These animals spit pan people? Leave in the comment section and let me know, please.
Put yourself out, cuz. Aye. Shaq up. All that scoop no rap no and them boy there.
All tight who? All tight who?
All that scoop no rap no and them boy there.
Scoot no rap no and them boy there. Big Shaq, why you always call some name that is unspellable? Is that a word? Unspellable. You can't spell them. That's what I mean. I don't know if unspellable is a word. Me ask Google before you laugh after me. Unspellable. What does unspellable mean?
Unspellable means of a word or name too difficult to spell.
Ah, got it! Unspellable. Why you always call some name that is unspellable to people? In man's not video him say all tight Asni. Asni. How you spell Asni? And now him they start about what? Scootno and what?
My brothers. Yo, you done now.
Life for the lamb.
Hey, some of you rappers stop crying, man. It's entertainment.
Man say, yo, rappers, wanna chill, wanna stop crying, brother, entertainment. Music is all about fun. Music is all about laughter, and that is why I'm starting my intro so, cause it's all about energy over here, high energy. That is what we deal with over here, nothing less. You understand?
Have some fun, yeah? Shaq.
Madness. What is going on here? Oh, this is a behind the scene of what really happened and how them film it and stuff. This is very creative. You can't do it. Me like this. People, if you never like the video from the start, you can still like it now. You can still like it. It's alright. It don't really matter. You can still like it. Me let you know after that. You can still like it. Also, guys, YouTube show me say a lot of you guys that view the video don't subscribe. Could you just hit the subscribe button, please? It not cost you nothing. It's not a monthly subscription. You cannot hit the subscribe button and support your boy. Cause you don't know. Big up all of the reaction channels as well. The old one, them, the new one, them, the one that's been doing them thing long time. The American one, them, the English one, them. But you don't know. Just big up everybody where view the video them and comment and take part in the comment section. Big up on yourself. GJ, young artist. Link up. You know the thing already. Make a drink up. Lights up. And also, guys, could somebody please tell me in the comment section how to run the video them for more than 10 seconds without getting copyright strike? Because I see other channel do it and them still have them video up there. It not get copyright. If me do that, I don't get copyright strike. Am I doing something wrong? Please tell me in the comment section what I'm doing wrong, so I can do it right. You understand? But anyway, what time is it? Ooh, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.